Love often begins in a single moment. Sometimes it starts with a child's eyes. Some stand alone in a rainy city, cheering in silence. Every passion deserves to be taken seriously. From inspiration to design, from imagination to reality. Across cities, across languages, across distances, all expectations will gather on the same stage. Wear your passion and keep your belief close. Because of passion, we eventually meet. We don't just print jerseys, we print connection.